One Friday morning, Nancy Lee Johnson is an African whose family has moved to America from Africa many years ago. In school, encouraged by her art teacher, Miss Dietrich, Nancy Lee excelled at drawing, means she was very good in drawing. One of her best pictures has been entered in a contest and everyone except her to win. Now everyone was expecting her that she will be winning. She does, so does she win the well-known Artist Club Award, right? So this is a story about Nancy Lee Johnson, and she was an African who came to America from Africa. In school, there was a teacher whose name was Miss Dietrich, and she used to encourage Nancy so that she can, do better in art, and she was very good in art. So she contested in a competition, and this was the Artist Club Award of Art, and she got a good award in that. So let's see what happened. One wet, rainy April afternoon, Miss Oshley, the vice principal, sent for Nancy Lee. Soon Nancy Lee knocked on Miss Oshley's door. So the name of the principal was Miss Oshley, and she called Nancy Lee. The familiar voice said, "Come in." Familiar voice means the voice of the principal, that is Miss Oshley. "Sit down, Nancy Lee Johnson," said Miss Oshley. "I have something to tell you." Nancy Lee sat down. So now the principal called, उसको बुलाया और बोला, "Nancy, मुझसे तुम्हें कुछ बात करनी है." तो Nancy Lee ने सुना और वो बैठ गई. "You have been an excellent student, Nancy, as I am sure you know," began Miss Oshley. तो Miss Oshley ने बोलना शुरू करा, that you have been an excellent student, right? और वो कहती, मुझे मालूम है, तुम्हें पता है कि तुम excellent हो. At that point, there was a light knock on the door. Miss Oshley called out, "Come in," and Miss Dietrich entered. "May I be part of this too?" she asked, tall and smiling. So, the moment जब नैन्सी से बात कर रही थी प्रिंसिपल मिस ओशले, उसी वक्त क्या हुआ, डोर पे नॉक हुआ और कौन अंदर आया? अंदर आया उनकी जो आर्ट टीचर थी, उनका नाम क्या था? मिस डाइट्रिच. एंड शी सेड कि कैन आई आल्सो जॉइन दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन, जो बातचीत हो रही है, राइट? Of course, Miss Oshley said. "I was just telling Nancy Lee what we thought of her, but I haven't yet given her the news. Perhaps, Miss Dietrich, you'd like to tell her yourself." अब Miss Oshley कहती है कि मैंने अभी नैन्सी को बुलाया तो है अंदर, but I have not given her the news. मैंने उसे भी खबर नहीं दी है. तो अब Miss Dietrich आ गई, तो आप उसको अपने आप बता दो. Miss Dietrich was always direct. "Nancy Lee," she said, "your picture has won the Artist Club Award." अब मिस डाइट्रिच जो थी ऑलवेज डायरेक्ट मीन्स हमेशा सीधा बोलती थी, घुमा घुमा के बातें नहीं करती थी. तो she said that your picture has won the Artist Club Award, right? The slender brown girl's eyes widened and her heart jumped. She tried to smile, but instead tears came to her eyes. Now this slender brown girl means patli si thi, wo brown matlab because she was dark in color, and her eyes wide open and her heart jumped with happiness. But what happened? She started crying also due to happiness. "Dear Nancy Lee," Miss Oshley said, "we are so happy for you." That elderly white woman shook her hand warmly while Miss Dietrich beamed with pride. Now this lady, the Miss Oshley, she was shaking her hand very happily and warmly, and Miss Dietrich was so happy that her eyes were shining. Miss Oshley had called Nancy Lee to the office both to prepare her and warn her. Now Miss Oshley ने किसको बुलाया था? नैन्सी को ऑफिस में बुलाया था. एक तो दो काम करने, एक तो प्रिपेयर करने के लिए, दूसरा वार्न करने के लिए. देखते हैं क्या प्रिपेयर करना था और क्या वार्न करना था. In making her acceptance speech, the vice principal wanted Nancy Lee to be calm and prepared. So Nancy Lee was asked to think about what she would say at the Friday morning assembly hour when the announcement would be made. Nancy Lee promised the vice principal to think calmly about what she would say. Now, why did she call? She called Nancy so that She wanted her to prepare for the speech, acceptance speech that she will be doing in the assembly. And when was this assembly to be held? It was to be held on Friday. When was this assembly to be held? It was to be held on Friday, and this was the morning assembly, right? So Nancy promised the vice principal that she will think calmly and then she will tell whatever she would like to say in that assembly. Soon Friday morning came. The night before Nancy Lee had gone to bed thinking about the next day. Her short speech was ready and she went over it in her mind. Now before she went to bed, before the Friday, that is on Thursday night, she was really thinking about what she is going to say, and the speech was in his mind. She had everything in his mind, and she went on repeating, went over it again and again in her mind, means she went on repeating it in her mind, learning it in her mind. When the president of the Artists Club presented her with the award, she planned to say. Now, what was she planning? This is she was thinking. That when the president of the Artists Club will give her the award, she is going to say this. Judges and members of the Artists Club, I want to thank you for this award. It means so much to me. The colored people of this city are sometimes discouraged, thinking that color and poverty are against them. I accept this award not for myself alone, but for my race. We believe in America. We believe in its opportunities and fairness. Now she was thinking that she will tell the judge because she was black, and black is known as racism. तो वो क्योंकि वो अफ्रीकन थी तो काली थी और अमेरिका में गोरे लोग रहते हैं तो उसको बहुत अजीब लगता था कि लोग मेरे से रेसिज्म ना करें, कलर की वजह से मुझे कोई ना कुछ बोले, डिस्करेज ना करे। तो उसने कहा मैं यही बोलूंगी कि अमेरिका कितना अच्छा है, यहाँ पर कितना अच्छा है, मेरे को बिल्कुल भी किसी ने अनफेयर नहीं करा, सबने फेयरनेस मुझे दिया, सबने मेरे को अच्छे से ट्रीट करा और मेरे को अवार्ड मिला। So this is what she was thinking. And she thought that she would also say that I thank Miss Dietrich and the teachers who gave me the knowledge and training to win the award. When I came to the school a few years ago, you received me well. You have given me a chance and helped me along the road I wanted to follow. Now this Nancy thought that I'm going to speak the Dietrich ने और और टीचर्स ने मुझे इतना हेल्प करा कि मैं इतना कुछ कर पाई, आपने मुझे ट्रेनिंग दिया, आप लोगों ने मुझे अच्छे से एक्सेप्ट करा। ऑल्दो आई वाज डार्क, आई वाज ब्लैक इन कलर, मैं अफ्रीकन थी फिर भी अमेरिका में अच्छे से एक्सेप्ट हुआ। Thus Nancy Lee went to sleep dreaming of the wonderful tomorrow. वो सो गई कि मुझे कल बहुत अच्छा मैं ऐसे बोलूंगी। At school on Friday morning, Nancy Lee was asked to see Miss Oshley in her office again. Soon after, Nancy Lee knocked at Miss Oshley's door. Come in, came Miss Oshley's voice. अब सुबह जैसे ही वो फ्राइडे को मॉर्निंग में स्पीच देने की तैयारी से गई तो किसने बुलाया उसको? प्रिंसिपल ने, मिस ओशले ने। And when she entered, the vice principal stood in her desk. There was no one else in the room. अब vice principal अपने चेयर पे बैठी थी और वहाँ पर और कोई नहीं था रूम में। Sit down, Nancy Lee, she said. Miss Oshley did not smile. There was a long pause. I do not know how to tell you what I have to say, the elderly woman began. I am ashamed for myself and for this country. अब वो बोलने कुछ ऐसा कहना चाह रही थी जिसको उन्हें बोलने की इच्छा नहीं हो रही थी, तो उन्होंने कहा कि मुझे अपने ऊपर भी शर्म आ रही है और मेरी कंट्री के ऊपर भी शर्म आ रही है। Then she lifted her eyes and looked at Nancy Lee in the neat blue dress sitting there before her. You are not to receive the award this morning. अब उन्होंने देखा कि नैन्सी ली एकदम बढ़िया से तैयार होके आ रखी है, तो she said कि आपको आज अवार्ड नहीं मिलेगा। क्यों नहीं मिलेगा? Let's see. Outside the electric bell rang loud and long. Miss Oshley remained silent. Then she said, when the committee learned that you were colored, they changed their plans. Nancy Lee said nothing. तो उन्होंने देखा कि जो कमेटी, जो अवार्ड देने वाली कमेटी, उन्होंने देखा कि ये colored means black है, तो उन्होंने उसको बोला कि अब वो अवार्ड नहीं देंगे। Nancy Lee, I am very sorry to have to give you this message, but my speech, Nancy Lee said, was about the words stuck in her throat about America. तो नैन्सी ने बोला कि अब मैं क्या करूं, मेरी स्पीच का क्या होगा? तो मैंने तो अमेरिका के बारे में स्पीच देनी थी, ठीक है। मिस ओशले had risen and stood looking out of the window. I know, said Miss Oshley, slowly facing the room again. Those who deny you this award do not know the meaning. उन्होंने कहा कि जो आपको अवार्ड नहीं देना चाहते उन्हें इसका मतलब ही नहीं पता। So नैन्सी बेचारी एकदम से उदास हो गई, ठीक है। Then So here it again, I go back to the last line again, which I actually missed. It says here that those I know, said Miss Osley, slowly facing the room again. Those who deny you this award do not know the meaning of the stars in our flag, but it's up to us to make them know. अब मुझे कहना है कि जो ये डिनाई कर रहे हैं अवार्ड, जो अमेरिकन मना कर रहे हैं आपको अवार्ड देने का बिकॉज ऑफ अफ्रीकन, दे डोंट नो कि जो फ्लैग में स्टार्स हैं उसका क्या मतलब है, राइट? सो देन Miss Oshley again she started that as a teacher I will go before the school board and ask them to remove the offer of any prize or award denied to any student because of the race or color. So teacher, as a teacher she said कि I will go in front before the school board, school की जो organization है, और उनसे बोलूँगी कि ये offer remove करे कि अगर किसी को कलर के बेसिस पे या रेस के बेसिस पे अवार्ड नहीं दिया जाएगा तो इसको हटा दिया जाए, ये रूल नहीं होना चाहिए. Miss Oshley's clear blue eyes looked into those of the girls before her. तो जो clear blue eyes में उनके eyes का कलर blue था, she was American, so she looked into whose eyes? Nancy's eyes. The woman's eyes were full of strength and courage. Lift up your head, Nancy Lee, and smiled at me. Miss Oshley said. Nancy Lee lifted her head and smiled. The bell for assembly rang. She went through a long hall towards the auditorium. अब नैन्सी ली ने क्या करा, वो उसे भी कुछ फेयर नहीं हो, उसने लिफ्ट अप अपना हेड ऊपर उठाया एंड शी स्माइल्ड एट मिस ओशले एंड देन शी सेड, जैसे बेल बजी असेंबली की, देन she started walking towards the auditorium where the assembly was to be held. There will be another award, Nancy Lee thought. There was school in the other cities. This won't keep me down. But when I am a woman, I'll fight to see that these things don't happen to other girls as this has happened to me. And men and women like Miss Oshley will help me. So she said that when I'm not going to stop. In other schools I'll go and I'll start participating in getting the awards. But if someone will try to stop me, I'm going to fight against, and like Miss Oshley, they are going to help me out. So this is what she was thinking, right? When she was doing her, going towards the assembly, this is what she was thinking.